Hey, what's going on, YouTube? You're from dcboxbreakers. I just got back from the hobby store and also Target, but didn't get anything there, except for a fat pack of score. So I also got my first Anton Strawman PC mail day today. I already have two of them, but another rookie class. It was 25 cents for free shipping, with free shipping. So figured, what the heck. Also did a few packs and a fat pack of score. I also have a blaster box to do in this video and an Upper Deck Series 1 hobby box to do in the next video. But here's the stuff I got out of my score jumbo pack. Canada Greats Ryan Getzlaff. USA Greats Jonathan Quick. These are the hot rookies. I did end up getting a Subban. Not glossy, but John McCarthy. Brock Trotter, Dustin Tokarski, and a nice glossy of Jeremy Duchesne. Here's all the glossy and stuff. Davis Trubisky. Season highlight, Kovalchuk. Season highlight, Bouchard. Tim Thomas, season highlight. Sidney Crosby, season highlight. Roberto Luongo, Dustin Bufflin, season highlight. And two glossy, Raymond Swada. And Steve Downey. So that was the score. So I did 2 packs of Donruss, and I love these inserts. They look so cool. The goalies, I think it's also like Les Garnish or something. Jimmy Howard, and Ultimate Draft, Daniel Carcillo. I like Donruss. I think that's a pretty good product. I did 1 pack of Topps Prime. I did alright. It was like $13. I got Demaryius Thomas, rookie insert. Got a Gerald McCoy rookie, numbered out of 999. Probably best card was a Mike Sims Walker, blue parallel, numbered out, or numbered 25 out of 50. And base were Mario Williams, Donovan McNabb, and Steve Smith of the Giants. So not a bad pack of Prime. I also did 2 packs of Prestige. I got quads, league leaders, Elvis Dumerville, Jared Allen, Dwight Freeney, and Lamar Woodley. Got 2 rookies. I think those are 1 per pack. They were nice ones though. Rob Gronkowski and Eric Berry, not numbered. And I got 1 extra points, numbered out of 100, of Thomas Jones. So that was all the pack breaks I did, and I think I'll go ahead and get started with the score. Blaster box. Move the camera down a little bit here. Okay. 11 packs, and yeah, I was trying to debate though between getting like a jumbo pack and a blaster, or just like 3 jumbo packs, but I decided to go with the jumbo pack and blaster. Packs are more fun to open, at least to me. Okay, first pack. Got a cool looking insert. Not sure what this is. Marty Brodeur. It's like a round half circle and a glossy Victor Hedman. Put this with the inserts for my other stuff. This one should have a hot rookie in it. Season highlight, Breeze Galov. Oh, nice hot rookie, Zach Camille. And glossy Johnny Oduya. Okay, no inserts, but did get a glossy Steve Mason. Alright, let me pile back up the other cards I got. Okay, got season highlight Broder, hot rookies Dustin Cone, and a glossy hot rookie, one I already got, John McCarthy. Hoping for an auto, but I'm guessing I'm not going to get one. Playoff Heroes, Mike Camilleri. And a glossy season highlight of Stamkos. I really like the photography in these cards. Like, most people don't really pay attention to that stuff, but I like looking at it. I got a season highlight, Simone Gagne. This one's cool looking. Net cam, Marty Berter. And, glossy season highlight of Halak. I really like that Panini signed with the NHL. They do a lot, at least in my opinion, a lot better than Upper Deck. I was getting a little tired of only Upper Deck and ITG products. Hot rookie, Arturs Kulda. Kulda. I think that's the only way to pronounce it. David Legwand, glossy. Jeez, they're like stuck. Another season highlight of Halak, a different one though, and Boucher season highlight. Three packs. I think it's pretty good use to always get score blaster box no matter what sport. It's normally the best value stuff because you can still get good stuff in my opinion. Hot rookie, Evan Oberg, and Pecorine, glossy. Cards are so stuck. Playoff Heroes, Duncan Keith, and a cool glossy season highlight like this one. Chicago ends the drought for the Stanley Cup. Oh crap. So last pack. Tremendous amount of season highlights in here. So glossy season highlight, Sakic. Hot rookies, Cody Almond. And season highlight, Canadians. Retirement. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the score. Nice thick stack of inserts and highlights and glossy whatever else. Kind of hoping for another Subban. I mean, can't really say there's enough of him, but yeah, decent box overall in my opinion. But yeah, guys, also got subscriber contest going. I haven't checked recently for any new videos, so if you guys have, just let me know about that. If you guys want any of the cards that I pulled, besides the Howard, I'm probably gonna try to build that set. I think it's really cool. But yeah, if you guys want any like the scorecards, other inserts, football, whatever, just hit me up and I'll see what we can do. Missed some season highlights. Those are at the bottom. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. See ya.